Posting on Beehiiv allows you to share content with your subscribers and grow your audience. Here's how to create and post a newsletter. Log into your Beehiiv account. Go to the Beehiiv website and log into your account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab. Once logged in, click on the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar. This section holds all your newsletters and email campaigns. Create a new campaign. Click the Create Campaign button to start a new post. Choose whether you want to send a regular campaign, A or B test campaign, or automated campaign. Select your recipients. Choose which segment or group of subscribers will receive the post. You can select based on tags, groups, or other filters. Design your newsletter. Use Beehiiv's drag and drop editor to design your post. Add text, images, buttons, and links. You can use pre-designed templates or create your own layout. Customize fonts, colors, and content to match your branding. Preview and test. Once your post is designed, preview it and send a test email to yourself to ensure everything looks perfect. Schedule or send. Once you're happy with the content, you can either send the post immediately or schedule it for a later time.